Napakalakas ng hangin. Wow. Merong storm. Lakas-lakas ng hangin. Naririnig nyo? Sus na soda. Diet Coke. Kaya pala to tinapon. Uy, ang daming cards. Valentine's card. Ayan, B.O.
Gloves.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Put your gloves there. Ang dami naman. Ang dami ding cards. Wow. Card lang ba? Walang chocolate? Happy Valentine's. Lagay ko dyan para makuha niya. Dami oh. Ayan dyan B, oh. Wanna see on the bottom what else they got here. Except 2 drinks. Chocolate. Yun ang gusto ko. Teddy bear. O, diba? Social. Pasukin natin. Hindi ko naman kukunin lahat yung card na yan. Ang kadami. Ano to? Balloon daw. Balloon. Sus, isang box. Ang basura. Ang daming cards, oh. Hindi na kasi uso ang cards. Ilan ba card gusto nyo? Unlimited card. I check on the bottom because maybe got some different, but it's all the same. It's all the same. One more. Yeah. Unlimited card. Ito na lang kunin ko. We just get this one because it's not open. Go. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go. Got it. Okay. Kargador. Kargador ng cards. So lahat lang talaga siya cards. Wala akong ibang makikita. Just cards.
Grab me about a handful of them, like different.
Okay.
And then
Right there.
give me some of that love one right there.
Scholar. Scholar gonna play that.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
One more step.
One more. Everything is beautiful. Oh.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Got it.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. May soda pa, oh. Wala kasi talagang iba. Okay, let's roll. Soda and cards.
Very good.
Wow. Black bag. Okay. Black bag ang nasa loob. Ang lamig. Black bag na basura. Basura lang pala. Alisin muna natin yung nasa ibabaw. Kasi sabi ni ate, ba't hindi mo inalis yung nasa ibabaw? Nahirapan ka tuloy. Ayun no, may mga black bag be. Look like the jackpot is there.
Yep.
Pasukin na mabit. Oh, ang lamig. Ano to? Medyo mabigat. No, just trash. Ano to? Ano ba ito nandito? Ay, basura. Okay. Nandito pala. Aba, may chocolate. Ay, wala na. Butas. Oh, may cat foods. Uy. Just trash. Ito. Medyo mabigat ito. Christmas cards. Valentine's card. Ang dami ko niyan. Wow. Andito ang jackpot. Dito natin ilagay. Candy. Yep. I'm not get the yogurt. You just grab the candy. Cat food. Ito na lang. Ang naisihi. Cat foods. Daming cat foods. Nabasa na. Uy, natapon na yung iba. The M&M chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah. I can get this one now. And just dump that one. I need it. Ayun o. M&M chocolate. Oh, nahulog na. Ano to? Ang basa. Cereals. Medicine. Ayun, medicine. May chocolate. Nerds.
This candy right there. The red yellow.
Oh, okay.
treat. Get them dog treats right there.
Mm-hmm.
Give them to them buffalo.
I think I don't need the animal, the box. Kunin ko daw yung mga nerds chocolate. Mga canned foods na ito, be. Canned foods.
What about the dog food can?
This one?
Yeah.
That's for dog. That's for dog.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I don't know. That's for dog.
Bag for the dog food. Get them dog food.
Oh, garbage bag. Hold on lang. Is something. Ano? Hershey?
Right here, right where my light is. Where my light is, right there. Right here, baby. See my light, the wall right there? Go down right there. Go down.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that dog treats. Little cookie, chuck chip cookie.
Okay.
Get it. Chocolate chip cookie. You had more chocolate chip cookies?
The other one is open. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Ba, may plato pa. Got plate. Okay, wala na. Let's go. Hi! Ang dami na naming naharbat again. Ayan o. Lagay ko dito sa bag. Ang dami pa nga naming stock. Paglalagay ko sa bag. Mga ano to, mga dog foods at mga candy. So yun nga mga ka-subscribers, dalawang dumpster ang ating pinagharbatan at bago ko man mai-upload ang video na ito, wala na po tayong mailalatag. Dahil nadala na po ng asawa ko sa trabaho niya yung mga snacks at yung mga soda na nakuha natin sa pagda-dumpster. Pero po yung mga cat foods, dog foods at yung mga cards nasa loob po ng aking garage. So maraming salamat. So tayo ay mag-hello muna sa ating mga ka-subscribers. Yes, ngayong buwan ay March. Kung ikaw po ay March baby, anong March baby mapet? Kung birthday mo ngayong March, advance happy birthday. And if today's your birthday, happy birthday. Yes po, and hello sa ating mga silent viewers. Hello, and welcome na rin natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. Maraming thank you. Miss Jocelyn Castro, Miss Vivian Cortez, Miss Chris Montero,
Nanay Rizalina Galeria, Nanay Florenda Sayangco, Miss Nora Agpawa, Chris Montero, Roland Alas, Bernadette Tison, Teresa Manuel, Manay Sofia, Manay Nicole Colina, lahat ng mga manay, mga manoy na nanunood, hello! Marie Chris Napa, Marie Chris Entero Barongo, lahat din ng mga Marie Chris, hello, hello! Susan Anion, Susan Goro, hello! Lahat po ng mga Susan, Nanay Susan Garata, hello din po. Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Jessica Ludo, Jessica Kahinde, lahat din ng mga Jessica. Damay-damay na. Ara Magistrado, Bernadette Tiso, Nanay Bebe, Nanay Mirna Gabayno, haller, haller. Richland Sorbeto, JRA, hello po. At ako ay bababa na sa truck, so tayo ay mag-end na rin ng vlog today. So don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment.